What up, guys? So today I just wanted to do a quick review of two of my favorite G-Shocks. They are both a collaboration by Kith. This one came out a couple months ago and this one came out maybe 2 years ago. I'm gonna start out with the older one. Comes in a cardboard box, just us on the sides. And then it does come in a little box. I don't know what you call this box, but you open it in the front and comes your warranty card. Some foam and just us written at the top of the box. And then you do have the watch, and that's pretty much it for this one. Let's get into the watch. So this is how the watch looks. I think it's pretty dope. Has a lot of contrast with all the different colors, and when you push the button it does light up to say just us. And the white color is more of a matte finish, and it is a rose gold on the metal areas. So that's the first watch. Now for this one. This one came out a month ago. Comes in a much nicer box, and it is twice as much as that one from what I can recall. On the side has your paper and documentation, your warranty card, and this one comes with a tool because it does come with an extra strap, and it comes with instructions as well. Now this one comes in a much nicer box. It feels almost like rubber, and this has a metal plate on it. Let's open it. Okay. Also some foam at the top of the box. Like I said, it does come with an extra strap. Let's take it out. Extra strap has a nice finish to it. When it hits the sun, it shows Kith, and this part is also rose gold, and it is made out of metal. And then the actual watch itself comes with the black strap, and it's also made out of rose gold, or sorry, the color is rose gold, and it is metal. It is really heavy, maybe twice as heavier than that watch. Yeah, looks pretty clean. So let me go and compare both watches side by side. Go, and then I'll do a quick wrist check on both watches. this. And I wear this all the time during summertime. That's, let me, that's how this one looks. I think they both look really good. This one also lights up saying just us when you push the button. But yeah. All right, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy.